Over the edge, feel like I'm floating.
Today we are going to review Point Telegram mining app. Just click on the link given in description, then click on play. You will get some tasks here. You can daily claim some rewards. I already completed all tasks. You have to connect your Tone wallet to get 1 lakh coins, and there are tasks related to some partners. Then you can earn also with staking. You have to click add icon here and just and just put the numbers how much you want to stake and how much days you want to stake your tokens. I have already staked almost more than 60 lakh coins and have in 50 lakh coins. You have boost options here. You can maximize your tap, maximizer and charger. You can also purchase a tap bot which will work for you when you are not tapping in app. I don't suggest tapping all day. Just buy the tap bot and it will work for you and claim tokens in 3 to 4 hours. It will give you around 1,70,000 coins, so you can get around 3.5 lakh coins daily. You can also complete these tasks. Just let me show you how to tap it. When your energy is on zero, you can refill it from full battery, and also you can use lucky dice roll and your earnings will boost for 10 seconds. And you can stake 3 staking in this dashboard. You can stake for 14 days for more profit, around 20%, and stake your all tokens. It's good. I join with my link to get additional bonus, and you can claim your friends bonus here, and when you refer 3 friends you will get 20 lakh coins. There is more task appears when you completed a task. It will give you a new task. You can also earn from staking. Additional bonuses from staking. I have completed all staking tasks. You can get additional bonus from staking. That's for all. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel.